Keeping your Samsung Galaxy phone updated is a simple way to improve its performance, fix bugs, and make sure your apps have the latest features. Whether you're updating a single app or every app on your device, the process only takes a few moments. Follow the steps below to get started. Step 1. Begin by unlocking your Samsung Galaxy phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is where all app downloads and updates are managed for Android devices. Step 2. In the upper right corner of the Play Store, tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you'll find several options related to app management and settings. Step 3. Select Manage Apps and Device from the menu. The Play Store will scan your installed apps and display whether any updates are available. Step 4. If updates are ready, tap See Details under the Updates Available section. You'll now see a list of every app that has a newer version waiting to be installed. Step 5. To update one app, tap Update beside its name. If you want every app to receive the latest version, tap Update All. The Play Store will automatically download and install the updates in the background. That's it. Your Samsung Galaxy phone is now running the latest versions of your installed apps. Updating your apps regularly helps improve security, adds new features, fixes known issues, and ensures everything works as smoothly as possible in 2026.